Hey y'all, it's Dominique. I am doing an update, a 1 month update of my solo esthetician journey, y'all. If you did not watch my last video, I am a wax specialist. I've been doing this for over 3 years. I've had my esthetician license for 3 years, and I opened up my own wax suite on May 1st. And I'm just here to give y'all an update in real time, raw, give it to y'all straight, because it's really not that many. Before I went on my own, it wasn't that many videos that I could like really watch and like see like what's the real deal when it comes to opening up your own business in the beauty industry. And I just want y'all to come on this journey with me, give y'all like real raw, see what's happening in real time, because a lot of the videos, it just talks about like the good parts of it, and which is fine, ultimately, like, if you're happy with what you're doing, it's not gonna feel like that heavy on you, which I've been loving the journey so far. And yeah, y'all, like, keep in mind, like, you're not gonna know every single thing at once. Like, once you first start, you just gotta go ahead and go for it. Like, I had to tell myself, like, I'm just gonna have to learn everything along the way, and I'll be fine. I got God. I always ask God for guidance on decisions. He is the CEO of my company, so this is his business. So has the last say so ultimately. So yeah, just keeping God first and allowing him to work through the business. It's helped out a lot. It's helped me to not stress as much when I feel overwhelmed. So yeah, I just want to let y'all in on what's going on. And I'm going to actually put up a screenshot. Well, I'll probably just turn the camera around and show y'all what's been going on. But then again, it might not show up like I want it to. Yeah, let me figure this out real quick. Okay, so I'm just going to do this on the video. I hope y'all can see the computer really good. So this is May 1st through May 31st. And we did, well, in total, service sales, we did $1,886.60. Add-on services, we did $130.40. And then in tips, we did $229.40. And service sales, that includes like cash and card payments. And so we did a total of $2,246.40, y'all. Like, oh my goodness, I was not expecting to hit that goal, honestly. Like, for me, I was just expecting to hit like 1,000 for the first month. And I'm gonna turn the camera back around so I can see y'all. So yeah, I had wrote down like monthly goals that I wanted to hit, and for the first to second month, I had put to hit 2,000 for that month, for the first to second month, and I wasn't expecting to hit it until like the second month, y'all. And I hit it the first month I was opening. When I look back at my notes, I was like, oh my goodness, like it is so true. Like, write it down, make it plain, and I was so happy. I cried because I was just so happy about that. Like, I was not expecting that at all. Because when you go out on your own, it's scary, especially if you're stepping out on faith, y'all. Like, oh my goodness. But I was just so happy that I had, clients follow me, and I believe I have to look and see how many people I saw for that month. But I was just so thankful that for everyone who came and got waxed by me, got my service, and I was able to reach 2,000 within the first month. And like, just thinking about it, I'm still amazed by it, because I was really not expecting that. Yeah, I was trying to pull up like the exact number of clients I saw last month, but I don't see it. But I know it was less than 30 and more than 25, which is pretty great. Again, was not expecting that. I think I'm gonna show like what services I had, the most services that I had for that month. So yeah, as y'all can see, I had a Brazilian wax special. I had 22 of those, and I was running a special up for those that cost $45. Then I had some people who were regulars at my old job, and they ended up booking under returning clients, so they paid full price for that. I had 3 people that booked under first time clients. Um, then I had another special Brazilian underarms lower legs, $100. Underarms had 6 of those, so that was 90. Upper legs, 90, 2 of those. 2 vajacials, which I charged 40 for those, so 80. I had 1 full leg, hydro jelly mask for those, $50, and for those I charge $12, and those have been a pretty good add-on for most people. Even for this month of June, I mean, today is June 15th, and I've had, some people who rebooked their appointment for this month still added on for the next appointment, and I've had a few people added who are new on my new bookings. So hydro jelly mask add-on is a great add-on. I highly suggest it. Eyebrows, I waxed 3 eyebrows, $45, and I was charging $15 for eyebrows for the first month. Lower legs, I had 1 lower leg, 40. Bikini full, 35. I charged full price for that. Stomach, 27. 2 chins, 24. So yeah, it totaled out to 2,200. I don't see the numbers down here, but yeah. So Brazilian is definitely a big one. Almost hit a 90. Oh my goodness. Wow. Almost hit 1,000. So yeah, first month was good, and like I said, today is June 15th, so we are in the middle of the month of June, and I say it's going about the same. I guess I will tell y'all what I've made so far for this month. I actually had my first no-show guest. She no-showed yesterday. She hit me up. So I told her I could rebook her for today, and she ended up not coming. So I ended up having to charge a fee. So that sucks. Like, I don't want to have to do that, but it is what it is. Business is business. I do want to do a video for like a day in the life. Some days I have, like, the most I've had one day is 6 people, which is not that often. Hasn't been that often yet. I'm gonna say yet because I know it's coming. Some days I have no clients. Some days I have 1 client. Some days I have 2, 3. So it's really here and there for now. But I just keep telling myself, like, I know I gotta enjoy this downtime while I can, because I know it's only a matter of time that I will be booked, no matter how discouraged I feel, or I try not to let myself get down about not having a client for a day or people rebooking. And so yeah, I just try to keep my mind focused on speaking it into existence and just having faith. You gotta claim it in the name of Jesus. But yeah, I'm just thankful, grateful. I'm so happy that I decided to step out and open my own business. And I feel like I needed that challenge too, because me just going to work and going home and that's it. Like, I kind of got tired of that too. And I just wanted to do more than just waxing. So I like the challenge of, like, just learning the business side, So service sales, we've done 974, add-ons 97. Um, so far we've done $1,700.40, and we are in the middle of the month. So I think we're on the right track for making about the same amount I did the first month. So, and I was hoping to get double, but I'm not gonna lie, like I haven't been like stepping out and promote myself, like leaving business cards and flyers different places. And I need to really get on that. Even if I don't get any clients, at least I've, put in the effort with doing that. And with me, I also have my own business. Like I also want to have other multiple streams of income. Like this is not going to be my only income. Eventually, I do want to maybe like create my own product line for like ingrown hairs. Maybe some body butters, body wash, things like that are more natural. If you're watching this and you have any questions or any recommendations for me, like videos, anything like that, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. I'm gonna be more consistent, y'all. I need to be more consistent. Like I shouldn't be this way. But yeah, I will see y'all later. Bye.